we want to factor this quadratic, and in order to factor this quadratic, we're going to use what we call an X method or grouping method. Okay, so we're going to start out creating an X. We want to multiply the first coefficient times the last term and get negative 72. So we're looking for factors of negative 72 that add up to this middle term right there, negative 21. So I need to create factors. 72 is 1 times 72, 2 times 36, 3 times 24, 4 times 18, 5 no, 6 times 8, and they've converged. 7 doesn't work. So notice that because this right here is negative, one of these has to be negative, one of them has to be positive. The larger of the two numbers has to be negative in order to get a sum of negative 24. So it looks like right there, we're going to end up with 3 and 24. So if I go 3 and 24, remember that's got to be negative for the sum to be negative. By doing that, that allows me now to rewrite this equation as 2x squared plus 3x minus 24x minus 36. Notice, please, that 3x minus 24 equals negative 21. Same equation. With that, group it as follows. Just take the first two terms and the last two terms and now factor out a common factor. We can pull an x out of the first term. That leaves a 2x plus 3. We can factor out a negative 12. That's going to leave a 2x plus 3. When you factor out a negative, everything goes positive. Regroup, okay? Pull out the common factor. The common factor is that 2x plus 3, right? Now, when you pull out that 2x plus 3, in other words, it goes away, what's left? What's left is x minus 12. I have just factored that quadratic. Now, you can check it by multiplying it out, and you'll see that it ends up being the same thing.